Alright, so let's talk about some lighting today. I picked these up off of eBay. Got two of them. Got lights throughout the side and lights in the front. I'll take you over here. And we're actually going to attach them right here on the truck like you would a Jeep. So y'all can see that. There's a bolt down inside here that attaches to the hood. So I'm making some little L brackets. And they're going to fit just perfect. So stay tuned for the big flash bright light announcement. Alright, so basically bent me some brackets here, painted them all up, and I'll show y'all later on during the day, but these are basically going to set like that and get it up high enough to clear the hood when the hood raises. So that's why I had to do kind of like the C bend in it. That will get it up enough off the hood. Hopefully it'll work out. Alright. As you can see here, I got the first light in. Had to do a little bit more modifying, but as you can see, I had to scoot it back some in order to clear the hood. You can see how close it gets. So I had to go a little bit higher than what I wanted to go, but that clears pretty good. And we will just paint the rest of the hardware. It's right here by this, but luckily it flies inside it. So there we have that. I already got the other bracket done here. Put it in, and I got this part. I just got to cut that off. So, and then we install the other one. So let me get my tools together here, and you can watch. Alright, as you can see here, here's pretty much what the bracket looks like. Nothing major. Pretty much just form this around 2x4. Make this to fit. And just slide this down in there where the hood hinge is. You can see that down in there. So, not too shabby. Set you up right here. Getting that nut out. Really all I do is let me try to get some light here so y'all can see. The bracket falls between, I don't know if that helps or not, but yeah, I slide it in between the bracket here and the hood bracket. That comes to fall right out the middle here. You got to cut a little bit of this off because we don't want it to be too long. Sticky right here so you can get some spark action. Go. Cool it off. Alright, so there you have it, folks. Got the pods on. It's pretty good. The only reason why I had to go up this high is to clear the hood. Of course, I'll paint all the hardware and stuff up. But people were asking, this is the hood. It's a little rubber thing here. Just a little rubber piece here. You flip that up and their hood bolts right down inside there. And this literally clears just perfect. Doesn't affect hood travel or nothing. And it's got a little bit of spring, but not much. Still solid. And of course, I just fed the wiring. It already had a little gap right here, so we'll feed that, and I get a wireless wiring harness with the remote so you don't have to run a switch into the cab. So there you go. Make sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.